St Helena Secondary College is a co-educational school located out in Eltham North. This project consisted of the modernisation of 3 existing buildings and 1 permanent modular building, and that was all brought upon from a grant that the school received in 2020.
When we're looking at a new system, we were exploring the notion of agility because you don't have one prescribed teaching style. We needed something that was agile that could go from an individual cell and expand out into something much greater and include the entire learning space. During the day, adapt to student and teacher needs.
The link taper table, when I presented that, they loved the fact that they could put them in like a soft curve or a presentation space, but they also had the option to kind of group them together in small groups.
The notion of agility is achieved through the exploration. Like you're not set to one specific way of using the table.
Out here in Eltham North, the scenery's amazing. So for us, really bringing that sort of outdoor in to make the space kind of feel like you walk into it and it's a comfortable, welcoming environment.
Again, future-proofing, looking forward, what is the sustainability of that particular finished choice? It needs to be sustainable in material choices, and it needs to be sustainable in the product life. And from a company perspective, we want things to last. Everything's modular, so even though we build it to last, if some damage does happen, we can replace just one part of it. Inevitably, when they come to the end of their life, we can recycle it all.
The breakout space that's in the science and maths building, we wanted something that was quite comfortable and a little bit more relaxed in that area rather than a traditional teaching space. So we spoke about some rondo ottomans that are a little bit separate and our curved habitat range.
The plank tables are more of your traditional desk profile, primarily for the staff rooms around here. They're typically designed so they support all of your heavy resources for each individual staff member. They also incorporate natural timber finishes, just like the link tables.
The VCE Centre also has a student commons cafe. We really wanted that space to feel a little bit different than the classrooms. So we used a lot of our iDisc rounds in 2 different sizes, which have a really nice Laminex bay leaf top. And then we've also got our Felix chair, and it just gives it more of a cafe style for a point of difference in that space. The Shinto media table is in the VCE Centre. We've got some of our rod chairs that sit around it, and then there's a TV at the back wall.
It offers more of a professional meeting space, both for teachers and students. When I went to Japan, everything is so considered. That really stuck with me. More doesn't mean it's better. Less is more in many cases.
The principal and the faculty team here at St Helena were really great to work with.
It's great to see from concept to realisation. I wish I had them when I was at school.